Good evening, ladies and gents. This is my how-to on a 30cm water feature which I made from scratch. First thing I did was get a container from Tesco for about a tenner, one of the plastic types, and then got myself a pump, 6,500 litre, offline off eBay I think it was, and a nice powerful pump. Didn't want to underdo it. So started with some 3x2 timbers and framed around the container and got it framed around. I had some sleepers knocking around which came in for the trim. Water feature blade, 30cm, got off eBay again, 25mm spigot. There's a bathroom feet that I got off my old bath. Right, we've got a 25mm bulkhead connector to go through the top of the tank so I can put my pump water hoses connections neatly through the top of the tank and into the back. So screw fix 25mm diameter pipe with a 25 inside diameter bulkhead fitting. That got me through the top of the tank cleanly. Cut a smaller hole and file it out so it's nice and snug, neat and watertight. Job's a good one. Next thing, got me planks of plenty of pallet wood knocking around. Get it whacked on with a few screws, saw it down, get it to the size you want. You can see in there, and job's a good one. Bish bash bosh. Starting to come together. So got me my blade sticking out there, and the woodwork's starting to come together. And half of this were free. I've got the wood knocking around, you know, you're always breaking down pallets, comes in for all sorts. There we go. So it's just starting to take shape now. And let's see what we got next. Oh, a bit of rubber lying around, so I nailed it underneath the trim, and that finished it off neatly. And went to screw fix, got myself some slate grey paint to give it that modern colour that everybody seems to be going for. Everyone loves a bit of grey in their life. So there we have it. A couple of coats of that bad boy and we're in business. So looks alright. Got the pump in, hose, 25mm flexible hose going out the back. And these are the lights. It's off eBay again, and multicolour changing aquarium sealed lights with a normal plug on the end. Nice and cheap, about 16 quid. Oh, and an outdoor waterproof box, so I could all whack it into there and not worry about it. Boom, there you go. Job's a good one. You can do it yourself if you want. My zen level is already getting better. No. That's the new toy. Let's go red. Or green. Or blue. Not bad for pallet wood.